and welcome to Sailing Serenade, Episode 9. I was and am still amazed in just how much work is involved in replacing the cockpit roof. Having the roof glued and screwed down is only the beginning. Now the roof will need to be shaped and faired and made ready for the next application. So what are we doing here?
Just putting like a slurry down to help the laminate stick up or hold up, because when you laminate above head or upside down, it sort of wants to fall off. So we just put like some filler powder in it to hold it up.
After letting the slurry or filler powder dry, it was now time for the laminate to be applied to the cockpit roof. The whole process is done in stages and, need I say, time consuming. Once one application is completed, I will take Serenade back to her mooring and rebook a spot the following weekend. This also has its problems, as I'm not always guaranteed a spot the following weekend and simply have to wait until a place becomes available. You really need perfect conditions when laminating. It's no good if it's raining, and it certainly doesn't help if it's too hot either. We got most of the laminate on, but the hot sun set it off rather quickly as the day went on. A strip of timber was used to keep a straight edge while the next application, which is a filler, was to be applied. This red filler, or putty, was pasted on over the laminate to fill in any grooves or dents. It was then sanded smooth to make way for the paint. I brought the handrails back to raw timber and then coated it with teak oil. Once again, I'm at the mercy of the weather, and she said, "You're not doing anything this weekend." I was able to get Serenade into the docks on a late Saturday afternoon and all day Sunday. With the help of a friend and working into the night, we were able to put the first coat of polyurethane on Serenade's roof. The following morning, we were able to put the second coat of polyurethane on. And I'm happy to say that by rigging up some shade from the sun, we were able to put the final coat on. The Dodger windows are put in and the hatch sealed. Serenade looking very smart with her new windows. The only job left to do on the roof was to paint some non-skid on top, but once again Mother Nature said, not today. Although handrails need to be added, Serenade finally has her new cockpit roof, and not only is it strong, beautiful and smart looking, I'm happy to report that the owner is happy too. The canopy or bimini is all ready to be fitted, but I'll save that for the next episode of Sailing Serenade. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up, don't forget to share, please subscribe, it is for free, and thank you very much for watching.